Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison and today I am showing you 5 makeup hacks. So if you're interested in what hacks I normally use on a daily makeup routine, then just keep on watching. Thank you so much for the suggestions that y'all have been giving me for video ideas. I greatly appreciate it. So yeah, let's just get started. So the first makeup hack, or not necessarily makeup hack, but the first hack I have to show you is me using this cocoa powder I have put in a old spice container. I put, regular cocoa powder that you bake with in that. This will, of course, only work for brunettes, but if you have blonde hair, I heard baking powder or baking soda. I believe it was baking powder. You can use that as your dry shampoo, and all you do is sprinkle it on in your hair roots and then zhuzh it up and you're done. I've done this many times in the past using cocoa powder, and me doing so, it leaves my hair smell like chocolate. So who does that? Who doesn't love a chocolate smell? The second makeup hack I have is to do a cut crease. So this will really help you if you have hooded eyes like me. All you do is put some concealer on your lower lash line about where you want it, the length you want it. I wanted a half cut crease for this one, so I went ahead and put it on half of the bottom of the lid and then opened my eyes, and then it transferred to the top of my eyes, and then I just basically filled in the lines. Doing this, so if you don't fake your cut crease with hooded eyes, then you will have shadows transfer to your top lid anyways, so you might as well just fake up the crease. That way it's more visible for someone to actually see the color that you're wearing, and it probably would have transferred up there anyways. So now it just looks more put together because you did it on purpose and you created your own eyelid space doing this. Another makeup hack I have is to do the perfect wing liner. So most of the time I do my foundation second anyways, so when I leave that open, I don't have to worry about getting it precise on the eyeshadow or the wing, so you can kind of be sloppy with doing your wing liner and your eyeshadow. This way, when you use your makeup wipe, you can easily clean it up and kind of adjust it to your liking, and this just makes it a lot easier for you. If you are more of a do your foundation first type of girl, of course you can use a concealer to replace a makeup wipe. And all you have to do is kind of use the concealer to clean up it won't so much help with the shadows for fallout, but it will help with like the wing liner. All you have to do is basically cut a line with your brush and your concealer and clean it up and blend it out, and it would work perfect that way. But me personally, I like to do my foundation second. That way it's easier to basically you don't have to worry about fallout from eyeshadows, and you can easily cut like lines for your eyeliner. And then I have a mascara dry hack. So basically all you do if you mess up on your mascara, you wait until it dries and then you clean it up with a Q-tip. So my fifth makeup hack is if you accidentally overdraw your lips a little too much, or if you mess up, like get out of line where you was intending to put your lipstick or your lip product, all you have to do is get your concealer or leftover from the beauty sponge that you used and a concealer type of brush, and go over that spot and pretty much just blend it out the way you want it and make it look seamless, and that's pretty much it. Alright, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed my makeup packs. I have 5 makeup packs to share with you, but to be honest, I do makeup packs on a daily basis on my channel on each video I normally do, especially when applying makeup. I try to share pretty much all my makeup packs when I'm doing them on my channel. Sometimes I share more with you than other times, but these are not my only makeup packs, but these are the first 5 that I could think of that I normally do on a daily basis when I apply makeup. So thank you for these suggestions of videos. I really have been enjoying doing all of these random makeup videos that you have been really requesting and wanting. And yeah, leave more video recommendations that you would like to see from me in the comments down below. Don't forget, I have a 3K giveaway going on right now. That giveaway doesn't end until I hit my 3K mark, so you have plenty of time to enter that if you haven't already. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!